So you might be in a situation where for some reason on Spotify, you're getting this type of pop-up that basically tells you that you're offline. And it's kind of a weird thing because you might be online, but you might be offline. Now, the first thing to go and keep in mind here, number one, make sure you don't have any Wi-Fi connections or internet issues at all. So what I'd recommend doing here is to go through and hop inside of your system settings application, go inside of your Wi-Fi connection, your cellular connection, no matter what it is, and just make sure that you're connected to a proper internet connection or data connection. That right there is probably one of the most important things I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So just go through, try connecting to those particular connections, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, what you can also do is go ahead, open up Spotify just like this, and go ahead and just close out of Spotify and try opening it back up and try connecting to that, connection or whatever it was. That right there can also end up kind of fixing the problem too, just by restarting the application. If that's not doing it, I'd probably recommend going through and try updating your Spotify application. So what you can do here is go inside of your app store, click on the search bar, and what I'd recommend doing is just going through and just kind of typing in Spotify just like this, and try updating this application. If there's an update available, try seeing if that'll end up fixing the problem. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing here too. If that doesn't do it, I'd recommend restarting your phone or connecting to a different Wi-Fi connection, and hopefully that will end up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.